Dry cough often follows respiratory illnesses such as flu and cough. Most cough clear up on their own within just 3 weeks and don't require treatment at all. Meanwhile, a chronic cough can be more than just an annoyance feelings. It can disrupt sleep, cause discomfort, interfere with work, and even social interactions, and also indicate an underlying health conditions. The good news is that many natural remedies, like the one I'll be sharing with you today, can sort this cough naturally without any side effects at all.